All right, we're gonna take 4 tablespoons of butter, which is a half a stick of butter. We're gonna melt this. All right, this is pretty nice and softened. I'm just gonna mush it up a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of flour. Give this a good mix. I'm gonna do a little capful of vanilla. A little pinch of salt to taste. And some cinnamon. All right, now I'm just gonna transfer this topping into a little container and we're gonna save it for later. All right, now I have my pre-cut and peeled sweet potatoes that I just boiled. All right, now we're just gonna mash these up really well, get them all nice and like smooth. You don't wanna have any clumps in there. All right, while the potatoes are nice and mashed and still warm, I'm gonna put that other half of the stick of butter in there and get this all mixed up and all melted. Now we're gonna take 1/4 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, sprinkle of cinnamon again, and a little salt. Give this another good mix. All right, so we're just putting a little cooking spray on my little pan right here. We're gonna go ahead and bring in those mashed sweet potatoes. Just spread those out along the bottom nice and evenly. All right, now we're gonna take a little bit of that topping that we did earlier and we're just gonna kind of sprinkle this around as good as we can. Put it in random spots. Get that first layer nice and covered up with the rest of these sweet potatoes. And we're gonna add the rest of some marshmallows. You can put however much you want. I'm just doing it by eye. This is my favorite fall recipe to make. All right, now we're just gonna finish it off with that topping that we made. All right, now we're just finishing this up and we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just one more finishing touch before I pop this in the oven. Beautiful. All right, in she goes. All right, I've got this all nice and baked. It looks absolutely delicious. It looks so delicious and crispy. Look at that. Oh, it's all nice and toasted like perfectly. I'm just gonna get a nice scoop right here. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. Now I'm just gonna dig in with a graham cracker. It's so good, oh my gosh. I've been missing this all year. I can't wait to share this at our Thanksgiving party. It's so yummy. It's like sweet and buttery and just delicious.